Does it taste like strawberry?
That was better than I was expecting.
We're back in beautiful Madrid, ready to explore and show you some of our favorite places. And of course, some of our favorite restaurants, neighborhood bars, coffee shops, and so much more. Today, we're focusing on 3 churro spots, going from the traditional to the more creative.
It's really nice, though.
Located in Barrio de las Letras, Chocolat is known for making churros the old school way, but serving them with a more high quality artisanal chocolate. It has quite the local following, and the owner is super nice.
What did we get?
Churros, 3 churros, because you can order them by...
What do you got?
Yeah, you can order them individually. And we got a porra, cut in half, some chocolate to dip our churros in, orange juice, and iced coffee, which is basically espresso and a glass of ice. So I'm just gonna sweeten it up. I was planning on like maybe putting in some chocolate in the espresso.
Yeah, you can do it. You doing a mocha?
Yeah, pretty much.
It's thick.
Yeah, it is thick. Okay, that's it. Ready? 1, 2,
Good job. Torrefacto o no torrefacto?
Not bad.
Not bad? Good.
Gotta let it cool down.
Well, these are the churros that I grew up with, but in Puerto Rico they put sugar on the churro. Here's just plain. Good chocolate. It's not very sweet actually.
The chocolate looks like hot pudding.
It's like pudding. And it's not, again, it's not very sweet. It's more like on the semi-sweet side.
So, a porra looks like a big churro. Now, I did notice this one's it looks oilier than the other churro.
It absorbs more of the... So which one do you like more?
They're very similar. I do prefer the churro. Because the churro has that really nice crispy texture. This one isn't as crispy, but they taste very similar.
Always get one, just in case.
Yeah.
Our next stop is very close to Puerta del Sol, right in the heart of the city. It's a great option if you're looking to take a break from sightseeing, but beware, there's probably going to be a line. Chocolatería San Ginés has been there forever, and with good reason. It doesn't get any more authentic than this.
Alright, just to clarify, this chocolate is not for drinking. It's to dip your churros in. And if you want to give a little flavor to your coffee, you can, I guess, spoon some in there too. It's not exactly milk chocolate. It's kind of like dark chocolate-ish. I mean, it's like semi-sweet. It's good. All right, so I'm gonna try the churro by itself. Yeah. So the churro has a neutral flavor. It doesn't need that chocolate to give it that flavor. Kind of like that salty sweet combo. Good stuff. Right? It's kind of like chocolate soup.
I'll have chocolate.
I think this one's sweeter.
This is a lot sweeter.
That was smart. I didn't do that. I just dipped it.
I feel like the churros from Chocolat better than the chocolate from here.
You just gotta buy a bunch of churros and then like
Bring it here.
hide them in your purse.
If you're looking for something less traditional, let us take you to a fun churreria in the colorful and much less touristy neighborhood of Trafalgar. It's just a short walk from one of our favorite plazas, which is Plaza de Olavide. Perfect for a little break. Schotis wants to prove that there's a place for creativity in traditional churro making. Under their fritter options, they have regular churros, porras, mini churros, and flower shaped. You can add all kinds of toppings, flavored chocolate, and even ice cream. We just wish we had a bigger stomach to try them all.
What flavor was that one?
So this is matcha. It's like white chocolate mixed with matcha.
Okay.
It's a churro. I didn't think that the white chocolate would add a lot of flavor, but it really does.
Yeah.
So was it strawberry something?
Strawberry white chocolate.
Strawberry white chocolate? Let's see.
Does it taste like strawberry?
That was better than I was expecting. It does have a strawberry flavor to it, but it's like the chocolate really sticks to the churro, so you get a really good strawberry white chocolate flavor. Wow.
I know, I'm impressed too.
So the churro, yeah, it's nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, but that chocolate coating, wow, that's good stuff. It's a little oily, but again, like the churro itself doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's very like, I don't want to say bland, it's just neutral. So that chocolate coating does really help give it really nice flavor.
Alright, just white chocolate. This one's my favorite.
Is your favorite?
The simple flavor. Alright, so the question now is, which one would you prefer? Like the traditional churro or the reinvented churro?
So the traditional churro is pretty good, but I did prefer the reinvented one only because, only because the chocolate flavor was a bit more intense and it kind of like stuck to the churro more. So I like intense flavor, so I would pick the new invented one.
I stick to my answer. My favorite is the combination well, I like the traditional churros, and my favorite churro, like the churro itself, was from Chocolat, and then from Ginés, I like the chocolate. So that's my final answer. So let us know in the comments down below which one would you prefer, or if you tried the different ones, let us know.
Yeah, so which one's your favorite, and do you prefer it plain? Because there's people that prefer it plain. And let us know in the comments down below.
And that's gonna be it for our churro episode. So stay tuned for more content from Spain.
Bye.
Up next, we're taking you to a very unusual and fun mall on the outskirts of Madrid. Expect lots of sports activities, entertainment options, and anime and toy stores. So stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.